What is up, you guys? How are y'all doing? The time is here where it is Rate Your Builds. The series is back. You guys all wanted to have this series come back. I posted a poll on my Instagram. We got 100 votes saying yes, bring it back, as I figured you guys were gonna say, because who wouldn't want their car featured in a YouTube video and have their car talked about? I'm hoping that a lot of you guys, or all of you guys, I'm hoping gave me a good description of what is done to your car, because otherwise if there's no description, I am just gonna be talking about what I see in the pictures. By the way, before we get started with the video, I also want to clarify something that I wasn't clear with from the get-go. When you guys are submitting these and DMing me, please include at least a video of your car, or like of your engine bay, or like a flyby or something like that, and send me a mod list, because if you guys don't do any of those, it's hard for me to put your car in the video and talk about it with you just saying,
"It is full bolt-ons pushing 700 horsepower.
I don't really have proof of that to show to the audience, so I can't just go off of what you say. I have to have some sort of proof, so that way I can back what you are saying up, so that way people know it's true, so it doesn't make me look bad, or you, just so hate doesn't get thrown your way or my way. So I just want to make that very clear. So if you guys didn't make it in this video and you have sent me a DM, you still have time to send me at least a video of a flyby or a video of your engine bay, and send me a list of your mods, so that way I can tell everybody what it is. So just wanted to clear that up. Alright, first up we have Elijah 2K, which his Instagram handle is S-Styled by Eli, and he has sent in a dope photo and video of his Q60. From what I can tell in the photos, he didn't send me a list of what's done. So again, I'm just gonna talk about what I see in the photos, and he did send a video, so we'll play the video as well. The first photo is a front shot. Can't really see very much from that. We have a side angle as well. It looks like he's on some coils, really nice height to his car. Looks like he has some wheels as well. Not sure what kind of wheels they are. Another side shot, or kind of a side angle shot. I can't really see the wheels because he doesn't have a side profile pic of his car. He does have a video, so we're gonna watch this video now. Nice sounding exhaust. Not sure what kind of exhaust he has. This is where details would come in, so I have a list of what your guys's build is, so that way I'm not trying to have to make it boring, because all I can do is go off of what I see. So when I say I would like a build list, it would make things a lot easier. I can tell all you guys what someone has done to their cars. Next video, if you guys, whoever doesn't make it in this video, if you still have time, DM me a list of what your mods are. It'll make things a lot easier. Just because I don't have a list of what this guy has done to his car. Always been an Infiniti fan. I had a G35 at once, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this car a 7 out of 10. Alright guys, we have a Subaru, and it's just one photo, so and I can actually go onto his profile and add in some other photos as well, and he actually has a video here too. We have Slavey Anaron. I am so sorry if I destroyed your name. He says that he is on bolt-ons, bumper exit, minor suspension stuff, so looks pretty cool. Got some good ride height to it. I love that. Go to his profile and see what he has. Is this an exhaust clip? That would be so sick. Please be an exhaust clip. Let's turn on the sound. Nope, it is not. It's just a little montage of his car. This might actually be good to put in the video so you can see. Not sure what kind of wheels those are. I love white wheels. If you guys don't know, white wheels are... I love white wheels, but the thing with white is they do not stay clean for very long. Even when you ceramic coat them, they get destroyed by dirt so fast. So and I see the side exit exhaust right where I paused it, so that's super cool. I always love, or bumper exit exhaust, not side exit exhaust. Bumper exit exhausts are so cool. We'll go ahead and play this next video to see what it is. Okay, so it's another video, side profile of the car. just him in the street. So yeah, his Subaru is really clean. I love these generations of Subarus. They're one of my favorites. If I was to ever own or buy a Subaru, this would be the generation I would get, just because they are so sick. I love how sporty and aggressive they look. Not a big fan on the older generations, but there are a couple that are really, really cleanly built that I've seen that are super cool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give this one a 7 out of 10 as well. All right, next up we have a submission from Radio Flyer A3, which is actually a good segue into the sponsorship, because this guy is actually the one that owns Radiant Wrap Supply, and today's video, the Rate Your Builds video, is actually being sponsored by Radiant Wrap Supplies. If you guys are not familiar with Radiant Wraps, if you guys are looking for a dope color for your whip, go check out Radiant Wraps on Instagram at radiant_wraps_official, or you can check out their website at radiantwrapsupply.com. They have a lot of cool colors. They did actually just do a giveaway on Instagram for a free roll of wrap. I didn't get to watch it, unfortunately, because it was during the time I was working. Unfortunately, I missed out on that, but I bet it was really dope. Like I said, if you guys are looking for a cool color and a cheaper roll of wrap, and you don't have the money to spend on, like, you know, a big name brand, this company, this guy is the way to go, because he actually gave me a sample of his wrap, and they are actually really, really cool. They have a great quality, no orange peel finish, and it's a high gloss finish as well. Oh, it is so nice. So if you use the promo code CAMFAM, you actually get an additional $50 off of each purchase, lowering your price down to $400 per roll of wrap, and you can get it for even cheaper. So again, that's radiantwrapsupply.com or radiant_wraps_official. Go get your roll of wrap today. Radio Flyer A3 has sent in a photo of his Audi A3 wagon, which actually I'm gonna go on to his Instagram page as well and just steal a couple of photos and videos. I'm sure he won't mind. I'm sure you won't mind. I know you're watching this. He actually has some custom wheels on the photo I'm looking at. I'm not sure what kind of wheels they are. His wrap is a super cool color. Seen it in person. From what I can see, the inside, the seats are a super cool style bucket seats. Not sure what brand they are. He did send me a build list, so I'm going to go through the build list as well. I like the stance. He's really low. Not sure what kind of coils he's on. So let's go back to the build list, and I will tell you guys what he has done. So for the exterior interior mods, a burgundy wrap by Radiant Wraps, of course, Radio Flyer livery with the roof rack and the original Radio Flyer wagon, which is super cool. Solo Works coilovers, Cooler Works short shifter, CTS turbo short shift linkage, Eurogrill, Volkswagen Beetle final edition wheels, 3D printed wheel caps, which is the center things, modify street bucket seats, 4-point harnesses, and for the performance mods, he has down driver mod. That's funny. Integrated engineering tune, front mount intercooler, 3-inch downpipe, 3-inch Magnafloor exhaust, and new speed short ram air intake. So that is super sick. I'm gonna go ahead and give this car an 8.5 out of 10. So congrats on the rating, man, and thanks for the submission. And this next submission is from Vanilla Ice _SS, and he has submitted a photo, or actually a video, of his Chevy SS, which is super cool. I haven't seen a Chevy SS in a while. I think that they're kind of rare now to see, but he sent a video. I haven't clicked on it yet. I'm hoping it's an exhaust tune and you can hear his exhaust, but we'll click on the video right now. Looks like a carbon hood. It is a carbon hood. That is sick. Not too big fan of the wheel choice, but you know what? That's just me. Everybody has their own taste. Listen to that thing rumble. That is sick. That's cool. I'm gonna go onto his Instagram page and see if he has any other videos that I can steal to put into the video. He has this one right here. It might be a montage video, so Nick might have to mute the music. Yeah, he'll definitely have to mute the music. In this video, he has different wheels on, and he has white wheels. I like that. I like that wheels, those wheels a lot better than the ones that he has on in the video that he sent. So I don't know. That's just me. I'm not trying to bash on your build, bro, but you know, that's just coming from a personal opinion. I like the wheels that I just saw in the second video. Like I said, it's nothing against you or anything. I just have my personal opinions on style of wheels and what works with the car and stuff. But nonetheless, it's still a dope build. Did he tell me what his mods were? Yes. Well, very, very minimal. So it's a 2017 Chevy SS/Holden Commodore VF2. I'm guessing this is, yeah, his engine. 440 Ci LS 6L80. And he has ran, I don't know if this is a quarter mile or a mile. I think it's a quarter mile. 10 minutes, wow. 10 seconds, and he topped out, not topped out, but he ran that quarter mile at 127, third fastest all-motor SS in the US. Wow, that is sick. By the way, I apologize if I absolutely butchered that description. I'm kind of limited. You didn't tell me whether it was a quarter mile or a mile or eighth mile. I'm only assuming that it's a quarter mile, so I don't know. But that's still pretty fast. 10 seconds in a quarter mile at 127. Third fastest all-motor SS in the US. That is super sick. So I'm going to go ahead and give your build a 9 out of 10, man. Congrats. Alright, you guys, and this submission is from a account. I'm going to absolutely butcher this Instagram account name, but Toto Fandomally. I am so sorry if I butchered your name, but he has submitted a sick photo of his AMG C63, and it is super clean. I love C63 AMGs so much. They sound so rowdy and super dope. From this photo that I have that Nick will throw up for you guys, it looks like the wheels are stock. It almost looks like it's bone stock, but he sent me a list of what's done to it, so I'll tell you guys in a minute. Ooh. Okay, that sounds rowdy. Yeah, I love the way C63s sound. They're so cool. He said that 2013 C63 Rentec Stage 1 tuned from stock 451 to 517, lowered on H&R springs and coilovers. Everything else is stock, so that's cool. For it being stock, it sounds really, really good. So I can't wait to hear what it sounds like when you get a full exhaust done, if that's what you're gonna decide to do. So that's gonna be really cool. So thank you for the submission. I'm gonna give that an 8.5 out of 10, man. So congrats on the rating, and thank you for the submission. That's really dope. All right, you guys, and this submission is from Moneybags503, and he has built Integra pushing 600 horsepower, damn near 600. It's basically 600. He said 580, but I'm just rounding it up to make it sound better. He has submitted some photos of his car without the hood on, as you guys can see in this photo that I'm looking at right here. It is super cool. I would love to hear an exhaust clip. Too bad he didn't send in any video clips of his car, but this thing is so sick. I love the engine bay on how it's like a bronzy gold color. The valve cover, how it's purple. It's super sick. Not sure, here's a side profile. Not sure what wheels he's on. He's got some meaty tires though, so that's how you know he's really pushing some horsepower. Oh, this one has his hood on. That's really sick. I love the green color too. It's like a dark forest green color. So onto the build list. Holy mother of Jesus. He has sent in, this is a long list. He said that
it is an Integra B18C1 turbo build. The ECU, it's tuned by at VIP Performance Honda S300 on 28 pounds of boost, pushing 580 horsepower, 423 pounds of torque. He said on the head, it's stock GSR cams, Brian Crower titanium springs and retainers, Furia valves, Furia valve locks, Golden Eagle cam gears, ARP L19 head studs, cosmetic head gasket.
2 hours later.
Still going, hold on, there's more.
For the fuel air, he's running E85, Adelbrock Victor X intake manifold, 70mm throttle body, coil on plug conversion, Walboro 455 with relay, Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator, Golden Eagle fuel rail, 1000cc injector, Speed Factory 4-bar map sensor, Vibrant Lines, JB tuned fuel hanger.
4 hours later.
So that is a lot, but as you guys can tell, this guy is fully built. That is insane. I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a 10 out of 10, man. Congrats on the build. This guy, crazy on this build. That is absolutely crazy. Geez, how many times can I say crazy in one sentence? But yeah, thank you for the submission, man. All right, you guys, and this last submission is gonna be from, I'm just gonna go ahead and spell it out for you because I don't know how to pronounce it, but LAKAR1NA, and I'm sorry for anybody that didn't make it into this video. We will be doing a part 2, possibly part 3 if we get more submissions. I hope you guys submit more of your photos, and if any of you guys that are watching this want to get into a rate your build video that isn't following me, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Cam Vandehey. DM me your photos or videos or both with information of what is done to your car, and who knows, you may be featured in the next video or two. This she has sent in a photo of her Honda Civic, which I have actually seen before in person, and it is a super sick Honda Civic. She doesn't have any, she didn't send me a mod list of what's done, so it's gonna be going based off of what I see. So in this first photo, right off the bat, you guys can tell that the headlights are Lambo style headlights, which I think are super sick. I love that feature. That is so cool. Half and half wrap, half Tiffany blue, half black. I love the color of the blue. That is so cool. The next photo she sent me, it's a kind of a side angle profile. Love the style of wheels that she chose for it. Not sure the brand. I love the little red headlight, the light bulb in the headlight as well with the Lambo style light LEDs. That is so cool. Love that touch. And here is a complete side profile of like the front half. Super cool. Looks like she's running a front splitter. Unsure of the brand. Can't make out the make of the wheels. I can't really read the center cap. Not sure what generation Honda Civic this is. I want to say it's the 9th, I think. Cut the video right here, Nick. I'm going to do some research and pull up on Google to see which generation it is. Sorry, Nick. I'm trying to Google it, but I'm not really finding anything. It's not a Type R. Oh, maybe it is a Type R. Oh, I'm gonna have to redo this whole clip if it's a Type R. Oh no, I don't think it is. I don't think it is. It just has a Type R wing.
2 hours later.
Wait, watch her Instagram say exactly what it is. I don't think it is. I can't see because it's private. Oh, it's a 2017. Oh, good Lord. Oh, man. I know you're probably laughing at me while editing this and watching this clip. Oh, geez. Okay, I'm gonna get back to the video and just, you can cut it here and add this part in. Alright, you guys, so I found out what year Honda Civic it is. I wasn't able to find what generation it is, but it is she has in her Instagram bio that it's a 2017 Civic, and I also noticed that I forgot to say in the video that she has on her car is it's a Type R wing. I don't think it's an actual Type R, but it's hard to tell. I'm pretty sure it's not, because I think the Type Rs have more like of the aero kits on it. I may be mistaken, I'm not sure, but if it's a Type R, you can totally correct me in the comments, but I don't think it is. It has a Type R wing. So anyways, just because I've seen your car in person for how different it is, I'm gonna go ahead and give your car a 7.5 out of 10. A lot of 7.5 ratings today. So that is gonna do it for the Rate Your Builds. Like I said, if you guys are not following me on Instagram and you want to be part of this Rate Your Build series, go ahead and shoot me a follow. DM me some photos and videos of your car with a list of your mods that is done to it, and I'll try and get you in the videos. Hopefully you guys liked this video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And if you are not subbed, go ahead and drop a sub to me. We are trying to reach 2,000 followers by the end of this month. We are on track to hit it by the end of this month. My goal was to hit it by the end of the year. So smash the thumbs up button. Do not forget to subscribe. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next video. So